Good, good morning. I am new. I am doing an open box video. I bought this keyboard off eBay. It cost $4,000. Alright. I have a wait. I have a wait. I have a keyboard right here. It's really comfortable, really. What the fuck? This is my new keyboard. I'm gonna hook it up. I will show you then. Alright. Wait. Look, it's light up. Alright. Before you hit that like and subscribe button. I try to reach 1,000 subscribers. Alright.